Good morning. We have a Tiguan in today with a very strange fault, which I've just managed to get to the bottom of. Used a bit of help from DDTSB, which is great because we've got a resource there that speeds things up. And we've got a typical fault for it, so I just thought I'd share it with everyone because it is a very strange one. Symptoms: we have an oil sensor fault coming up on the dash. The start button doesn't work very well, the aircon doesn't work, and if you look now, we're in reverse. The reversing light doesn't work. Now, if we consult a diagram, we know we've got a fuse missing here, and that is a 5 amp fuse. If we put a 5 amp fuse in there, we get smoke from the engine bay and it blows the fuse immediately. I'm going to bridge across the fuse. Now, I do this all the time whenever I get a fuse that keeps blowing, and I use a really low amp test light, 50 milliamps, and that just restricts what can go through the fuse, and it means we can check to see if we've got a direct ground. Now, if we've got a really bright test light, general rule of thumb, we've got a path to ground. We kind of know that because our 5 amp fuse that we're putting in there keeps blowing. So if we pop that on there, we've got a really bright light, far brighter than it should be. Is leave that like that while we go and plug a couple of other items and see if we can figure out what's causing the ground. So a wiring diagram. This is a sensor, one of the ones that's faulty, that doesn't work, for the reversing switch. Now, if we follow it up, we've got fuse 13, which is the 5 amp one that keeps blowing. So if we look at fuse 13, lots of other things on there as well. So we've got some stuff at the front to do with the washer nozzles, so I'm going to assume that's nearest to water, so we're going to go to that first. Okay, so this, as we can see, is our culprit. Absolutely ruined, clearly a short, so I'll unplug that now and we'll have a look at the pins. Yep, that'll do it. Now, if we go and check our test light, nice and dim, and that's gone right down now from what it was before. So we can pretty confidently put a 5 amp fuse back in there, and we should have a working reversing light and everything back online. And there we go. An alarm horn fault code, which was already there, we know what that is, and our signal for the air quality sensor is now an open circuit. But all the rest of our fault codes have cleared and everything's working as it should be.